So this actor comes online and complains about a popular gym and talks about how they're trying to extort money from people. He mentioned something. He said the service is not that great, and he also said that the gym is oversubscribed.
And bring notice to this, because the reason why things like this continue to happen is because people keep quiet and people keep silent. Stop this nonsense. It's all about money for you guys. It's all about the change. It's all about, the dollars. Stop this nonsense. Stop ripping people off. There's so many things to say. From the way you treat your staff, from the fees you extort from the way you just, have a business model that is all about profits only and not caring about people. What's actually even pissed me off is that the gym is oversubscribed. The gym is oversubscribed. The gym is oversubscribed.
And I just laughed because I know that there is an issue in Nigeria where they treat them badly, generally, is where they flock to. There's something. And somehow I want to even link it to parenting. I want to link it to us being used to being treated badly. If something is not hard, if people are not mean, even abusive relationships, abusive marriages, even schools, you'll find that the schools that they cannot afford, they treat them like crap. Those are the schools that are oversubscribed. Think about it. Think about the places that people go to, the lounges they go to, the clubs that they go to, where they treat them badly, they keep going there. And it is learned helplessness. It is learned helplessness. We continue to flock to the places that treat us badly. Is this not linked to abuse that we're used to? Tomorrow now we'll come and say that we turned out all right. Indeed, you turned out all right. It's a good one that he spoke up, but who else is speaking up? Very few, because we're used to it and we can't actually complain about what we subscribe to. These people offer a service, call it poor, call it whatever, but if you keep subscribing to it, they're not going to change. It's when we speak up and give feedback, constructive feedback, that things change. And by the way, before we come online, let us also try and address it privately, which I believe he has already done. Because some people, any small thing, they just bring it to the gram. They just bring it to social media. Let us start first at the point at which it happened and see how we can drive the change.